Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello. Good morning. Welcome to the Department of Civil Engineering. I am Professor Sivakumar. I am the head of the Department of Civil Engineering. And I wish to first of all thank you for considering SSN College of Engineering and our Department of Civil Engineering for admission. And I am very sure that you won't be disappointed. Your selection will be excellent. I am here to take you through the facilities and the labs that we have in our department. As you enter from there into the campus, the first thing you will see is this Vamasundari Park. So, where right now I am standing is the admin block of SSN College. This is a famous spot for all the movie making actually. Many films are shot here. This is the Department of Civil Engineering office. These are the faculty members that we have. There are 12 faculty members and our students get ranks in the university. He is our department executive, Mr. Anbaragan. Our department was started in the year 2015 and as such, our department is the youngest department of the SSN College of Engineering. So 5 batches of students have gone out, have graduated, and all the students are very well employed. Around 30% of the students, they are going normally for higher studies to universities worldwide, such as Canada, United States, UK, Netherlands, Australia, Singapore, and New Zealand. Besides that, all our students, most of our students are employed in top-notch companies such as L&T, Dow Chemicals, Zoom Orex, Latent View, and all the government departments. So I can say my students, my alumni are everywhere around India. And we have got combination of students from many states, not only from Tamil Nadu. We have students from other states as well as overseas students also. And I have 12 dedicated and experienced faculty members, which include 4 professors, 7 associate professors, and 1 assistant professor. Out of the 12, 11 are already PhD holders, and 1 assistant professor is currently pursuing her PhD. Thank you very much for visiting us. Hope that you will have a nice time and nice learning. We have many activities specifically tailor-made for the Department of Civil Engineering students, and we have a student chapter of the Institution of Engineers in India, Civil Engineering Department. We have a student chapter of Indian Green Building Council, Civil Engineering Department. We have a student chapter of Institution of Civil Engineers UK, and we also have a fun club called Siva, which organizes all the fun activities involving alumni as well as the current students. So we have all the necessary labs that are needed for the undergraduate degree program in civil engineering. We do have more specialized labs also, which are more than what is needed for an undergraduate degree program, using which our students normally do the quality research. In our department, the students are, our management is kind of to offer scholarship funded projects to undergraduate students. So every student will be getting some funds using which he can carry out the research of his choice. So whatever he wants to pursue in civil engineering, it is possible here. Our students are also doing interdisciplinary research by working with their friends from other departments also. We have labs like structural engineering lab, concrete and materials lab, mechanics of materials lab, fluid mechanics lab, geotechnical lab, environmental lab, and also our computer lab. So all these have equipments which are more than what is needed for an undergraduate level and which are of sufficient quantity as well. And the lab is open to the student 24 by 7 by 7 any day. So they can come at any time and pursue the research. So now I will take you through all the labs. Let us go out. This is our department library. We have all the books that are necessary for the students' learning. In this library itself, we have more than 2000 books available in this library, including all the relevant Indian standards that are needed for their learning. This is a part of our main library. This is exclusively for civil engineering students and staff members. This is our CAD laboratory, in which we have 60 systems with the relevant softwares that are needed for their learning, like AutoCAD and STAAD. So whenever the students have free time, they are allowed to come inside and they can browse here and use the Google for any learning. We also use this room as our auditorium for meetings. It is a fully air-conditioned room. We are now entering into concrete and highway materials lab. This is a famous lab where our students normally carry out a lot of research related to concrete and materials. So this is a geotechnical engineering lab in which we have all the equipments needed for soil mechanics and geotechnical engineering subjects. This is a survey lab.
Hi all, this is Shobana. I'm an alumna of SSN, Civil Engineering Department. Now I am working as an engineer in a multinational company. Actually, till my schoolings, I studied in a regional medium school. From my first year of engineering only, I started learning stuffs in English. But now I am able to get a placement in an MNC. It is because of the department and the faculties who are always striving to make the students best in everything. I am very much grateful for the department. Indeed, it can shape many students' career like me.
Hi, hello. I'm Shudesh Krishnakumar, pass out of 2016 from SSN Civil Engineering Department. I have to say that SSN is one of the topmost institutions that provide you with the best quality of education in an industrial tailored manner today. And truly, SSN has bestowed me with a lot of exposure that helped me in kickstarting my career as a fresher in Dubai. And thanks to all my department staff and SSN for providing a great opportunity. and I'm proud to be an alumni of SSN.